Cardamom, the Queen of Spices, Part 1. Types of Cardamom. Introduction. Cardamom, often referred to as the Queen of Spices, is a highly prized spice known for its unique flavor and aromatic properties. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, cardamom is now widely used in culinary and medicinal applications worldwide. Number 1. Green cardamom, Elateria cardamomum. This is the most common variety, known for its light green pods and intense sweet flavor. It is often used in both sweet and savory dishes, as well as in beverages like chai and coffee. Number 2. Black cardamom, Amomum subulatum. This variety has larger, dark brown pods and a smoky, earthy flavor. It is typically used in savory dishes, especially in Indian and Nepalese cuisine. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.